So, very good morning to all of you. Today, we are going to start BSc special paper nuclear physics. So, nuclear physics will be starting in today's class. So, this we will be starting with the basic idea of nucleus, its properties, and models of nucleus to follow. So in the first slide, you are seeing the portrait of scientist Rutherford, and on the right hand side, you are seeing the experimental arrangement by Rutherford, that is alpha scattering experiment, which we will be taking up shortly. Just showing you the image. And at the center, so you have a symbol of a nuclear levels like the atomic orbitals. So you know the atomic orbitals, nucleus is at the center and electrons are revolving. Like that, in the uh, nuclear, in the model, so we have red and blue as protons and neutrons, which are condensed at the center point nucleus, and the orbits are that of electrons. So it is an atomic view. So you can see the electrons revolving around the nucleus. So if you look at the uh, one slide in the paper, uh, that is nuclear and particle physics, it is BSc 4 physics 630T theory paper, code number. There are 6 units in this, 6 units in this special paper, that is discipline specific elective nuclear and particle physics. The unit 1 is basic properties of nuclei or general properties of nuclei, which we are going to see today. In the second unit, we have models of nucleus to discuss, that is nuclear models, liquid drop model and shell model. In the third unit, we are going to be studying radioactivity. You know that radioactivity decay will be studying in third unit. And in the fourth unit, we will study reactions, nuclear reactions. And what are the possible nuclear reactions? Artificial and uh, natural nuclear reactions. And in the fifth unit, it is very important. So we will be studying the detection of nuclear radiations. The instruments used to detect the nuclear radiations, and along with the particle accelerators, the nuclear particles like alpha particle or beta particle, how their speed can be increased and energy can be increased. They are particle accelerators. And in the last sixth unit, we will be studying particle physics, that is elementary particles. So there are, other than what we know is only electron, proton and neutron. So there are hundreds of particles other than these. All these particles will be introduced to you in the sixth unit. So we will start with the first unit. So once again I repeat, the title of the paper is Nuclear and Particle Physics. In this you have 6 units, and the 6 units are general properties, nuclear model, radioactivity, nuclear reactions, detectors and accelerators. Lastly, particle physics, the elementary particles.